Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Okay. Hey, good evening everybody. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening. How you guys doing? Welcome to the Wednesday edition of Bandera Night Jams. You're still with DJ Tommy G, The Hitman. Yan yung buong radio name. Meron pa talagang The Hitman. May nagtanong sa akin dati, ba't The Hitman? Ano ba? Gun for hire ka ba? Sabi sa akin, hindi po. Kasi dati, when I started radio, I was doing top 12 at 12. Top 12 hits in the Billboard chart. Okay? So, I played the hits. Yun, the hitman. Hit music ang ibig sabihin yun. Kaya lang, I'm not doing that much na. Kaya, medyo I'm dropping a little bit the hitman moniker. Ayun, that's what happened. Alright? So, good evening sa inyo mga tropa ha. Magandang gabi. Thank you for tuning in. Yung mga tropa natin na laging naka-tune in pagpatak ng alas 7 dahil Bandera Night Jams na, naku, I really appreciate you guys. Pinapasalamatan ko kayo ha in advance. Hindi pa tayo tapos, hindi pa ako nagpapaalam. Kakaumpis lang. Yan, good evening. All right. May panawagan daw dito yung Asinan Elementary School batch 1986. Yung mga section 1 students. Ayan, kasi yung section 1 kasi magkakaklase sila simula umpisa, mula grade 1 hanggang nag-grade 6, no? Parang block section no? Meron daw celebration or mini gathering bukas. Sama-sama kayo, magpunta kayo, ha? Yan, sige. Gusto niyo ibigay ko yung yung shout out. Shout out ha sa inyo. Sana maka-attend kayong lahat. Sabihin ko yung mga pangalan niyo. Ayan, si Kuya Antonio. Ayan, Antonio Nepomuceno. Ayan, si Kuya Alan. Ayan, at Chico, si Arnold Sain, si Ariel Agpalo, si Cynthia Dicen Racela, Dennis Encarnacion, Dennis Rintantan, Dennis Ferrer. Tatlong Dennis, no? Yeah, we have 3 Dennises, the Meneses. Yeah. Okay. Nasaan na ba ako? Ayan, si Ditas Lianes, Elena Ramirez Guevara, Eric San Diego, si Kuya Eugene Mohal, si Ate Gracel Esguera, paras to noon no? Yeah. Si Kuya Jets Joby. Ayan, aka Paeng. Si Cho Paeng. Si Kuya Jojit Lopez. Ayan, si Ate Jock Janet Mariano. Ayan, Janet Mirza Ruiz. Dati, yeah, if I remember it right. Si Ate Elma. Ayan, Elma, which is now My Dulay. Ayan, talagang inisa-isa, no? Lahat kayo, walang makakalusot. Maria Tampos, Michelle Sarmiento, Nerissa Alfaro, si Nonong, si Carlito Figueroa, no? Si Bernadette Balenger, however you want to put it. Ayan. Si Ate Olive Simswangko, ayan, okay, Garcia na ngayon. Si Ate Raquel Santos, dating Raquel Sarmiento. Randy Malig, ayan. Si Kuya Johannes Ployo, ayan, okay. Walang nakalusot wala akong nalimutan. May nalimutan ba ako? Lahat yan, yung mga pangalang binanggit ko, lahat kayo imbitado. Punta raw kayo sa mini gathering bukas. Kita-kits sa SM City, Olongapo, downtown, between 5 to 5:30 p.m. Siyempre, 5 o'clock, labasan pa lang yun. Uwian pala from work. So, a little bit of leeway na oras yan. Okay? Okay, so ayan. Talagang shinout out lahat no? Pag kayo hindi umattend, wala. Baka busy or may work. So what I'm trying to say is, yun daw, Kita-kits! AES, Batch 86. Asinan Elementary School, Batch 86. Parang mini reunion na rin, or reunion talaga. Because everyone's invited. Yeah, alright. Okay, so on with today's holidays and observances. We always start things up for Bandera Night Jams with the holidays and observances. January 14, 2026, and this is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Check out the Sulit Bundle promo, wherein you will get 2 big, hindi water, 2 big, dalawang malaki. 2 big family size pizza, Any flavor and the flavor of your choice, of course. Get a free medium-sized pizza plus 1 liter lychee lemonade plus the APC loyalty card. Kung wala ka pang loyalty card, nako, you're missing out, no? Maraming special perks yan. Okay? For only 1,049 pesos, it used to be 2,258. 1,049 na lang. Wow. Okay? So for inquiries, you may call or text 0967-164-4650, 0967-164-4646, number 395 Rizal Avenue, West Tapina, Olongapo City. Harap lang yan ng yung 4th Street, yung corner, yung pinakakanto ng 4th Street. That's where it's at. O, dali hanapin, di ba? Yeah. Okay, they are open Monday to Sunday. Ayan. 8 a.m. hanggang 12 midnight. Pwedeng umorder ng pizza hanggang 12 midnight. Pero pag weekend pa, hanggang 1 a.m. pa nga. Friday to Sunday, okay? Visit the Facebook page, Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Today's holidays and observances, January 14, 2026. What's going on? Let's check. Sa UNESCO, UNESCO has declared January 14 as World Logic Day. It's an international day proclaimed by UNESCO in association with the International Council for Philosophy and Human Sciences. Yun, okay? So yan, yung International Council nga naman for Philosophy and Human Sciences, sila ang may say sa logic. World Logic Day. Yan. May mga tao kasi minsan na parang kulang sa logic, no? Huwag na natin umpisa niyan, baka kung ano pang masabi ko. May mga na-encounter kasi ako minsan na, wag na lang. The C-section day. Alright? Awareness day for C-section. Uy, mahirap yan, ha? Ang C-section, ang cesarean section. Akala nyo, basta-basta lang yun. Mahirap yan, ha? So we gotta give salute to all the women who has undergone C-section. And syempre, yung mga doktor na nag-perform. Mahirap yan. Oo. Akala nyo lang, simple-simple lang, hinihiwa, tinatahi, tapos kukunin yung baby. Hindi po ganun. Dinidisarrange pa yung internal organs ng babae, especially the intestines. Tapos, pagtapos na, ibabalik. Kaya nga minsan nagkakaroon ng error sa ganyan, diba? Nagkakaroon ng mali. Bumabalik, nagkakaproblema, no? Kaya, pero napakabihira yon. If you're gonna check the rate, kung ilan yung mali sa tama, napakababa lang. Lalong-lalo na in the Philippines, no? Magagaling yung mga doktor natin dito na nagpe-perform ng C-section. Ayan, okay? The reason I know this because my bunso was delivered via C-section. The panganay was normal, pero yung the bunso, kasi we had our bunso late, parang medyo age factor na, kaya C-section na. No? Yung ating doctors there at ZMMG Co-op Hospital, yun, doon siya pinanganak eh. Doon nag-perform ng C-section on my bunso. Ang galing ng doctors doon. Hi sa inyo, shout out sa mga our beloved doctors and the entire staff na rin of ZMMG Co-op Hospital, number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Ayan. Naisingit ko lang kasi C-section day. So shout out sa friends natin at ZMMG Co-op Hospital, ha? Alright? Ayan. They are complete there. Lahat ng kakailanganin mo for whatever, medical whatever. Ayan. It's complete and adequate and affordable Co-op Hospital. ZMMG. Okay. Dress Up Your Pet Day is also one of today's holidays and observances. Have you tried dressing up your pet? Yeah, our dog, our husky, it's very difficult. Nung medyo maliit siya, we were able to do a couple of, dressing her up. Pero nung lumaki na siya, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap hanapan yung malalaking dog, ang hirap hanapan ng dress for them, no? So, Dress Up Your Pet Day today. Today is also International Kite Day, those who loves kites. Organize your home day. Yeah. Sometimes sa kabisihan natin masyado, hindi na organize masyado yung bahay, no? Kung ano-ano na. I'm guilty. Kami, I admit. Sobrang kabisihan namin. Minsan yung kwarto namin, parang bodega na. Yung sala, mukha ng kusina minsan. So, doon ako kumakain habang nanonood ng TV. Pero alam mo ba, yung bedroom, ang bedroom, kahit anong part ng bahay mo, pwedeng maging bedroom. As long as maglagay ka ng bed tapos humiga ka. O kaya maglagay ka ng papag or ng banig. O, bedroom na yun. So, ang bedroom talaga sa bahay, it's up to you kung saan mo gusto matulog. Okay. Yun lang. Nabanggit lang kasi Organize Your Home Day. Ratification Day, and lastly, yun nga, World Logic Day by UNESCO. Okay. So there you have it. Just a few of today's holidays and observances. Not Ju, ang layo na ng January. January 14, 2026.